Oke guys, kembali lagi bersama gue Mochi Vanca. Kita akan melanjutkan video kali ini. Ini udah part keberapa ya guys? Udah lumayan banyak. Pokoknya ini kemarin baru aja habis misi foto-foto apa ya namanya? UFO. Cuman untuk hasil fotonya malah hilang semua. Aneh banget. Jadi kita lanjutkan aja ini misi kedua di chapter 4 ya. Chapter 4 ya kalau nggak salah ya. Kira-kira sekarang misinya apa lagi ya guys? Waduh, kalau nggak salah sih disuruh ke trailer ya tadi itu baca. Oh ya, ini gue record di hari yang sama ya guys. Gue langsung lanjut. Oh, ini tempat kemarin ya? Ya ya ya. Ini jalannya ekstrim sih.
Dozing off in swimming class wasn't my brightest moment. Oh, damn.
Oke, lanjut tuh. Aman. Oke, sekarang kita ngapain?
Whoa, what the?
Hah? Ini kan kos-kosannya ya. Siapa lagi ini ya?
It's not here.
Oh,
Is it?
orang
You'll
yang
never find
pertama.
Touch that, and I'll put one between your eyes. Back up. Further.
The AEC must be getting desperate.
You think you're in control, Booker? You don't know what you're dealing with.
Ya?
Hmm,
Neither do you.
ada yang dicari ya dari Winston. Tapi kira-kira apa? Sambil difoto terus sama si Gordon. Nah kan, Gordon ini tahu sesuatu guys. Gue udah curiga. Oke, kita ke workshop dulu. Apa yang kita bisa pakai? Wheel spikes. Cuman dia butuh satu lagi scrap. Tapi yang gue pengen tuh ini guys. Circuit board itu satu, terus partsnya butuh satu lagi ya. Nah untuk rope-nya kita butuh 4 lagi. Nanti kalau misalkan kita ke store mungkin kita beli ya. Kalau misalkan cukup sih berarti mungkin partsnya gua beli 5 ya berarti ya. Oke, 5, 1, 4 ya. Mudah-mudahan kita ingat ya. Oke, kita kembali ke kasur. Ya, tau gitu lanjut aja kemarin ya. Cuman tidur doang tuh. Lanjut ke chapter
With a past that
ke-5.
seemed to cling to him like a second skin, several questions occupied Winston's weary mind. Why had the mysterious agent chosen this moment to step out of the shadows? Why did Donovan, that cunning fox, remain silent? But what really twisted the knife were the increasingly intrusive visions. Was he finally losing his mind?
Ternyata Winston tuh harusnya jadi orang terkenal guys. Karena dia udah sempat masuk koran. Meskipun ya insiden.
Gas-powered machines were the crowning achievement of modern man. How quaint, but no more. Don't forget, if it wasn't for the brilliant minds of the AEC, we would still be sputtering along in our rudimentary automobiles while breathing in those toxic fumes. While you mind your own busy lives, the Atomic Energy Commission is diligently working on the next revolutionary ideas to enhance your daily comforts. Soon we'll be at the advent of a new paradigm shift, anti-gravity. If that is not the epitome of the future, I don't know what is. Or wouldn't you agree, Winston?
Green is losing its luster as fall takes over once again. We expect the cold
Huh?
weather to stay for the next couple of days, with a few inches of snow a real possibility. On another note, our community's new courier service, We Deliver, is
Ini
now up and
radio
running
kayak
full speed.
ngajak
Having
ngobrol Winston
luxuries
mulu,
delivered to
cuman
your doorstep has never been easier.
halusinasi
You need
kah?
to send your mother-in-law a
Atau
last-minute
emang
greeting
mimpi?
card or upgrade your
Karena
bathroom with
posisinya
that
pasti pas
ultra-modern,
Winston lagi
minimalist
tidur.
Nordic bidet. We Deliver got you covered. Well, time for some more music.
Wah, ini makin penasaran ke sini ceritanya kayak gimana. Karena Winston, ternyata udah chapter 7, guys.
Ah, son of a...
So sorry, Mr. Green.
second goddamn time this month. Swear I'll...
Kena lempar 2 kali katanya, guys.
Wait, huh? What's this? Oh, this can't be good.
Itu yang tadi didengerin dari radio nggak sih?
This feeling.
Adalah.
Am I
Wait.
in the thick of it again?
Nah ini, kita bisa ngendaliin kapal kah? Udahlah, nanti aja. Kayaknya itu lebih ke apa ya, shortcut. Nih, untuk memulai hari. Greedy Hearts. Greedy itu apa sih? Gimana? Ya udahlah, kita lanjut. Kita cerita apa lagi, guys? Oh iya, mungkin untuk game selanjutnya ya, yang bakal gua mainin, kayaknya gua pengen main Dead Island deh, atau The Evil Within dulu ya. Tapi kayaknya Dead Island dulu deh, karena apa ya? Karena gamenya mungkin lebih fresh ya daripada si The Evil Within. Dan The Evil Within sebenarnya gue udah pernah mainin, guys. Cuman menurut gue ya, itu game yang lumayan seru gitu. Jadi untuk listnya tuh sebenarnya ada lagi ya, The Outlast. The Outlast kah judulnya? Yang horor tuh yang masuk ke mana? Rumah sakit jiwa ya. Ya itulah. Terus sebenarnya gue juga ada rencana untuk ngonten Genshin Impact, tapi ngulang dari awal ya, kita reroll. Karena kalau pakai akun gede gue bingung mau ngonten apaan. Karena kalau misalnya gue ngonten apa ya itu namanya, orang-orang tuh kalau lawan bos tuh yang damage-nya besar-besar tuh, nah gue kagak bisa karena gue free to play, guys. Dan kalau misalnya gacha kontennya, nah masalahnya gue free to play, ngandelin explore, sedangkan explore gue ya udah lumayan lah. Jadi nggak banyak lah buat yang dieksplor. Makanya kalau misalkan mau main Genshin ya dijadiin konten, seharusnya sih paling reroll. Kita ulang dari awal ceritanya.
Anyways, so I bailed
Tapi
ship as
mungkin
soon as they entered the office.
untuk
Think I'm gonna hide
storynya
down
gue
here all
pasti
day.
skip sih.
I wouldn't mind the company.
Atau mungkin kalian cuma pengen
Morning,
lihat
Winnie.
Hey, Sarah.
gua
Hank.
Morning, bud.
apa
So
namanya,
rocking the
gacha
biker look,
doang
I see.
gitu.
Don't listen to him, Winnie.
What?
Cuman itu
I
baru
didn't say
rencana
I
sih. Kalau
disapprove.
Genshin gue masih belum
Uh-huh.
kepikiran
I don't call it that. I didn't mean. Ugh.
konsepnya
Harold's in his
kayak
office,
gimana gitu, guys.
But I worry about him, Winston. Could you please try to talk to him? He listens to you, you know.
Me too. I'll give it a shot.
You're the best.
Tapi guys, apa ya yang bikin Harold tuh sepercaya itu sama Winston? Jangan-jangan Harold
Huh?
juga tahu sesuatu.
Harold, are you in there?
I'm sorry, Winston. Bertha will fill you in.
Great. Everything okay?
Thank you, son. Just a bit of a migraine
Okay then. Feel better. Fantastic. Miss Rover it is then. I can't believe that I missed Johnny being in charge of deliveries.
Lu nggak bisa diintip nih, ngapain dia? Kok dia ada di depan pintu banget?
I shouldn't leave yet.
Eh.
There's still things to do.
Salah ya? Oh, ke atas lagi, ke Berta. Berta? Berta bukan sih? Iya,
I
betul.
see you still fail to find your way to a barber shop. Do I sense a hint of insubordination?
Udahlah, itu
How
keren banget.
wonderful.
Brewok
Or
begitu.
perhaps you would like some directions. Should I draw you a map, Winston? I suppose you believe we should all just let ourselves go and act like a bunch of Neanderthals. Well, I'm scarcely surprised, seeing the level of commitment to proper etiquette here.
Look, Berta, I'm really not in the mood to...
It's Bertha. B-E-R-T-H-A.
Bertha.
Never mind. Let's keep it simple. In fact, you should refer to me as Ms. Rover. Okay then, good talk. Why don't you see if you could make yourself useful and head down to the warehouse? Speak to Mr. Russell. He'll fill you in.
Ini jadi gampang marah gitu ya. Jadi pemarah gitu.
Thank you, Lord, for sparing me some time away from the devil.
Fokus Johnny. Johnny itu di bawah harusnya. Nah,
Miss Rover shares my vision for a spotless we deliver. I just didn't figure she would have me do the work. Please radio me, Winston, as soon as you can. And I will
oke.
get the order forms ready.
Di luar ya. Oke,
I'm all
ready.
set for the next delivery.
Winston, are you there? I just received a bit of a rush job. I need you over at the timber mill in Tip Bend Ridge as soon as possible. Report back to me as soon as you're there.
Ternyata kita pakai mobil ini lagi, guys. Apa-apa lah. Gue lebih suka daripada mobil yang barusan. Berat banget. Ini ringan meskipun ya, lihat. Handlingnya makin jelek, guys. Apalagi kalau misalkan lewatin air basah nih, kayak gini. Satu. Licin banget, licin. Nah, gue lebih suka ini. Di tanah ya. Nggak ada licin-licinnya. Kira-kira sekarang ngapain ya, guys? Ada tangga tuh ke atas tadi. Gue lihat. Wah, nggak bisa. Oke, aman. Baik-baik saja. Udah nyampe?
Finally there, Winston. I just got in a rush order for a life net. It's one of those things that firefighters use to catch people jumping from burning buildings. I convinced the timber mill to sell us theirs. It must be around here somewhere. Find it and load it onto your car.
Suruh nyari apa?
Bingo!
Live net? Karena ada yang mau loncat kah?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, ini ada panah. Ah, puter balik, guys. Suruh ngapain sih? find the live net. Tapi live netnya di ini ada jalan ke atas. Oke. Wih. Gue lihat sesuatu. Oke. Wah, Petri. Oh iya, gue lupa mau ke shop.
Jackpot.
Nantilah.
Oh yes, that trampoline we got after the fire. Don't know where it is. It disappeared a few months back as soon as the rain started.
Waduh. Oke. Nggak kelihatan tangannya kalau lagi dari dalam, guys. Load magnet. Oke.
Bingo.
Nah, mobilnya pindah. Gue mau ambil ini dulu.
Jackpot.
Nah, kita Kironimor. Wah. Nah. Aduh, seandainya gue udah ada ruangan sendiri, guys. Gue bisa teriak-teriak. Ini gue masih nahan ya. Nggak bisa lepas gitu ngomong.
One of the top brass plunged straight through it, tore it in two.
Ya, just like guys.
Admiral, I'm picking up a new target. It appears to be moving, sir. Bearing 558 over.
Affirmative, Private. Main command must want to test how well we handle surprises.
Ada apa nih?
Attention all units. Focus fire on the new target. Over.
Nah. Bentar. Wah. Kenapa kita diserang? Kita salah apa, guys?
I'm coming around for another volley.
Easy money.
Kita salah apa, guys? Tiba-tiba diserang. Wah. Wah, gila sih. Ini game apa lagi ya maunya ya?
I'm coming up on it 6.
That's just a scratch.
Wah, jangan sampai nabrak pokoknya.
Barely made it out of that one. I'm rich.
Kena. Oke. Kena lagi. Oke. Oke. Aman. Yang gila sih. Alasannya apa tuh? Tiba-tiba ditembak begitu. Gue belum lihat shop ya. Mobil apa, guys? Oh, hitam. Nggak bisa ganti perspektif, guys. Ya udahlah, lanjut aja.
Sir, the target's changing course. Speed's increasing. Could this be part of the drill?
Most likely, Private. Main command loves throwing curveballs in these
Apalagi ini gua.
Stay sharp, everyone. This is what we train for.
Should we engage in simulated countermeasures, Admiral?
Wah,
Yes, prepare simulated defense protocols. Let's show main command our readiness.
ini kenapa coba? Oh, jangan-jangan trampolinnya ini dianggapnya target. Jangan-jangan gitu.
Survive that somehow.
Pakai latihan. Ya nggak sih? Buset dah. Wah, kena lagi lah. Kena lagi. Meledak. Waduh. Kena lagi. Wah, gila sih. Gue cari posisi dulu yang enak. Wah, belum. Wih. Gue belum maju. Wah. Ini sih hancur lagi ya pasti. Gue belum siap. Gue lagi nyari posisi duduk yang enak gitu. Alah, kena lagi. Alah, 2 hit nih. Bahaya banget.
They don't pay me enough for this.
Iya, betul. Kita emang dibayar berapa buat kayak gini? Cepet ngebut. Wah, gila. Emang harus strafing guys. Ini wajib strafing kita. Ini kita yang diserang. Wah, nyangkut. Wah. Oke, jangan kena. Wah, kena. Masih gila ya.
Well, that didn't go as planned.
Kita salah jalan. Ayo. Tidak. Masuk.
Now get out of here, courier. Next time I catch you around here, I'm press ganging you into the potato peeler platoon.
Maybe you could learn a thing or two from the military. I didn't serve myself, despite a valiant effort. A nasty sprain at the last minute, you see. Really unfortunate timing.
A trampoline?
Emang mungkin dia punya skill driving yang bagus kali ya ini. Anak Winston. Kita lanjut. Go to we deliver. Oke. Nah, sekarang normal ini. Bisa lewat sini ya. Oke. Lanjut. Ada melon. Oh, gue bisa lewat situ. Oke. Kita ke sini dulu. Kita ke highway. Ya, lanjut lagi. Oke. Untung gue udah latihan ya. Cara mencari shortcut. Wih. Nggak ada bingung. Udah, kita cari jalan tercepat aja. Oke. Belum nyampe ya? Masih lanjut. Skellington Falls. Di mana ini? Kayaknya ini udah deh. Harusnya. Wah, sorry. Nggak lihat. Loh. Kok disuruh ke sini? Ah, udahlah. Lanjut aja lurus. Nah kan, nyampe kita. Oh iya, ngomong-ngomong gue nggak lihat shop ya dari tadi. Atau emang pas gue lagi terlalu fokus ya
Is it
nyetir?
just me, or does Donovan seem more tense lately?
What? Donovan? Hadn't noticed. Oh, hey, Winnie. Care to join the Donovan bandwagon?
Oh, Hank.
Of course, I'm his biggest fan, after all.
Come on, guys. What's with the two of you anyways, Winnie?
Oh, I think he just hates my guts. Happy for him, really. I mean, we're starting to worry he didn't have any feelings.
Is Harold okay? Did you speak to him? He left early today, coughing as he went. He seems,
Yeah, he said he had a migraine, but I don't know. Hey, look, maybe it's time for him to...
What, step down? Harold is We Deliver, Hank. What would happen if he retires?
Sure, I'm just saying he's not getting any younger is all.
Well, anyways, we won't keep you with all this gossip, Winnie. Talk to you later.
Mr. Martinez was generous enough to spare me one of these. State of the art. We've got our fair share of trade secrets here at We Deliver. Who knows what would happen if they got out? You should wear one, Winston. We have to stay vigilant against corporate spies.
I think Bertha's upstairs.
Oke, thank you sudah minggir. Ah, biasa kayaknya itu di atas dia. Nah kan, sudah gua duga.
Was there anything else, Your Highness? Otherwise, I'm heading home.
My, oh my. I believe my right hand is cramping up from all the note-taking today. Sad to say, I'm very disappointed in all of your performances today.
Not much of a surprise there. Why are you writing down every single thing, by the way? Memory starting to fail you?
Look who's talking. I've seen you scribbling diligently in that journal of yours. That's right. I see everything. Bet there are some juicy bits in there. What I wouldn't give to take a peek at it.
And how exactly would that happen? What, you gonna murder me? Pry it out of my dead hands? I bet you couldn't even tear wet toilet paper if your life depended on it.
What is this, a stage show? Get back to work, people. And you just stepped in it big time, mister.
Return to the trailer. Hah? Ada Donovan, guys. Tapi kita nggak bisa lihat. Ya udahlah. Sekarang kita ngapain lagi, guys? Nah kan, Donovan.
Come in. Well?
I believe our elusive Mr. Booker, I'm sorry, Mr. Green, stacks more skeletons in his closet than your average mausoleum.
We already knew that. Cut to the chase.
Have a look. So I'm sitting there. A vehicle pulls up. Not Winston's, mind you, but dark, flashy. A man exits. Big black gentleman by the look of it. Flashlight in hand. Picks the lock like nobody's business and enters. Spends 20 minutes in there searching for something until...
Winston arrives?
Mm-hmm. Now, if you were Winston, what would you do?
Waited till I knew I had the upper hand?
Right. Winston, he just grabs a mallet and goes inside. Pretty bold, if you ask me. Sound familiar?
Very funny. What, you admire the guy now?
Don't be silly. Anyhow, a minute later, our mystery man backs out. Gun on Winston. Drives away.
You're shitting me. Tell me you followed him.
What am I, an imbecile? Of course I did. Oh, and I found this in Winston's trailer earlier today.
The future's in our hands. AEC. Just like the document I found. The journal he always writes in. I need you to get it somehow. Fantastic job, Gordon. Thank you.
Ah, don't mention it.
Jahat
About
juga
time
ini.
I dusted off the old tools of the trade, so to speak.
It's time to pay this guy a little visit.
Banyak haters guys. Emang gak enak sih banyak haters.
Ugh, I should head home to my trailer.
Baru chapter 1 kan? Oke, kita ke chapter 2, chapter 1. Ya itulah pokoknya partnya ya kali ya. Kita balik ke trailer. Oh ya trailer ya, bukan kos-kosan. Gue bilangnya kos-kosan mulu. Aduh. Lu nggak ada lewat shop ya? Kayaknya kemarin lihat ada banyak dah. Oh oke. Kotak kuning itu tuh telepon ya. Tempat kita nyari. Oh sorry. Itu shortcut gua. Aduh. Ternyata lewat situ.
Gather round. We've got a pressing matter to discuss today. It's time to talk about that most discomforting predicament known as constipation. Uh-oh. Looks like the pipes are clogged, folks. But don't you worry, because we've got just the solution for you. Introducing Dr.
Mobilnya
Gutbuster's
bagus ini.
Relaxative Elixir. It's like a plunger for
Oke. Kita ke atas.
A store, huh? Well, let's see what's inside.
Di atas kayaknya ada apa? Mudah-mudahan ada chest ya. Ya. Red doang. Tapi lumayan lah.
Oh, hello again. Welcome back.
Oke, kita beli apa? Seingat gue ini beli 4 gak sih? Ah, udah kita coba beli-beli aja ya. Ini. Wait. Kok nambah harganya ya? Nah. Nambah harganya, guys. Wah. Rope tuh kita butuh 4 ya. Kalau misalkan kita beli ini 4, cukup nggak ya? Cukup. 4, oke. Nanti kita coba ke workshop ya guys. Wah, duit kita habis langsung. Oke. Sebenarnya gue penasaran tadi sih. Coba nggak sih? Mana sih? Agak ke bawah ya. Nah, mobil apa ya? Hitam ya, ditandain hitam. Ini kah? Mobil ini kah? Brush. Oh, jangan-jangan mobil yang di sini lagi, bukan yang barusan. Nah. Oke lah. Lah. Kita pakai aja dulu mobilnya. Handlingnya luar biasa ya. Mungkin tanda yang hitam tuh tanda mobil yang udah di discover ya.
This is a scratch. Jackpot.
Mana sih? Oh ini.
If I'm all done for today, I should head to bed.
Nah,
What happened to my poster? Why am I even surprised?
Diambil ini sama Donovan.
I guess the rejection letters didn't seem worth stealing, huh?
Nah, kita ke workshop, kita pasang nggak sih dua-duanya? Dah. Pasang lagi. Oke, udah semua. Kita lanjut tidur. Wah, baru setengah jam, guys. Kita lanjut aja dulu kali ya. Nah, Donovan. Lagi di mana ini?
Hey, I know you're here. We have mutual interests, you and I. Come on, I haven't got all day, you asshole. Damn it, I'm freezing my ass off here. I know where to find what you're looking for, okay? I'll deliver it to you. On one condition.
Go on, then, Mr. Gurther. Speak.
I'll get you what you want. That's what I do. Deliver things, get shit done. In return,
I ain't got all day, and you've got 2 seconds.
You see this? I went in on this.
All I see is a very confused man about to get shot while waving a piece of paper around like an idiot. I advise you, think carefully about whatever comes out of that mouth of yours next.
You paid him a visit, yet you're still here. Why is that? Let me guess. Not on too friendly terms with your boss at the moment. Don't want to come back empty-handed?
You're out on very treacherous waters, Mr. Gurther. You've got no clue how deep it goes. What's your angle?
I'll help you get what you want if you'll introduce me to the man in charge. I know where he keeps his most well-guarded secrets.
Very well, Mr. Gurther. I'll play ball. For now.
A smart move.
You better hope so.
Orang-orang jahat, guys.
Winston stood at a crossroads, shrouded in uncertainty and danger. The thought of flight crossed his mind, but that would certainly alarm Donovan and propel him straight to the authorities. Contrary, to stay meant Donovan would eventually peel back the layers of his carefully guarded secrets.
Shit!
Box lagi.
Thus, however risky, Winston turned to his final beacon of hope, Harold, the only friend left in his corner. He placed his bets on a slim chance that Harold possessed the influence to coerce Donovan into backing down.
Iya sih. Kalau nggak salah gua terjemahin ya, teman satu-satunya dia sekarang itu cuman Harold.
Tired of the same old bickering over who burnt the Christmas turkey? Let our holiday love doctors help put the merry back into your marriage.
I used to think marriage counseling was like getting socks for Christmas. But mistletoe magic? It's the best present we could have given our relationship.
We were like 2 elves in a tinsel tangle, but after our sessions, it's like Santa gave us a new sleigh. Here at Mistletoe Magic, we blend the joy of the holidays with heartfelt guidance. Think of us as Santa's little helpers for your heart. So, don't let your love get frostbitten this winter. Join us at Mistletoe Magic Marriage Counseling and jingle all the way to a happier, healthier relationship.
Counseling for one, please? This might just be my best idea yet. Yeah, this'll redefine airmail for sure.
Oke, kita lihat
Alright,
ya.
let's break this down for myself.
Oke, dipasang apa?
Just need to
Katapult
press the
sekarang.
catapult button when I'm close to a delivery spot. Got it.
Apa katanya? Gua nggak terlalu perhatiin. Katapult untuk ngirim barang. Waduh. Kalian lihat guys, ini yang kita baru saja upgrade, ban spike. Oke, terus sama airbag mobil tuh gimana ya maksudnya ya? Nggak kelihatan airbagnya, tapi yaudah kita coba aja. Go to we deliver. Oke. Nggak bisa lewat sini. Sudah. Ini bisa di stage nggak sih? Ya udahlah, kita nikmati saja. Ada nggak expect sih kalau spike-nya kayak gitu. Salah pencet guys. Tapi kalau gini mobil jadi lebih lebar sih guys. Maksudnya buat ada mobil lagi nih. Waduh, dapat guys mobilnya, sorry. Tapi ini mobil jenazah lagi. Ini gua curiga nanti bakal ada misi disuruh ngambil mobil jenazah ini guys. Tapi ini gimana caranya ini kita ke atas? Ada salah nih kita. Oh, lewat sini guys. Elah. Udahlah.
Dozing off in swimming class wasn't my brightest moment.
Bilangnya di sono. Itu ada mobil nggak? Nggak ada. Ya. Ini nih yang bikin lama nih.
Where did you come from?
Ya ampun. Ini guys. Ada jalan lain yang lebih gampang. Ya.
My doggy paddle technique won't help me here. Oh, jeez.
Oke. Gua kira gua bakal stuck. Airbag in the outside tuh apa ya guys? Nggak ada kelihatan nih. Nah, we deliver. Tadi bukannya pasang
Good
ketaput
morning,
juga ya?
Hey,
Tapi kok
Sarah.
nggak ada?
Do you have a minute?
Sure. What's wrong?
Okay, you didn't hear this from me.
Hear what?
I don't know what's going on, but remember when you came back? Well, the day after, you just left and Gordon comes in. Doesn't say hello or anything, just goes straight up the stairs, carrying something like, a rolled up poster or something.
Okay.
A rolled up poster? Are you sure?
Hard to say, just a guess. Anyways, I was about to knock, just to let Don know I was leaving for the day. Then, I hear voices coming from the office. Gordon was in there talking to Donovan.
Okay.
They were talking about you, Winston. Really bad things, too.
Hmm.
I think Gordon has been following you around. It sounded as he... Winston? Are you okay? I don't know what's going on. Please say something.
Thank you for telling me. Do yourself and me a favor and forget about this, Sarah.
Wah.
Come in. Good morning, my boy. How are things?
Well, Miss Rover gives everyone a run for their money, to say the least.
That's a very polite way of putting it. She's insufferable. To be honest, I fail to find any redeeming qualities in her, and I usually do.
Well, me neither. Hey, listen, I want to talk to you about something.
Yes?
I haven't been completely honest with you, Harold.
What do you mean?
Well, my past, it's...
Son, let me stop you right there.
Mhm.
You're a good man. You're reliable, loyal, and your heart is in the right place. If anything,
Okay.
I wish this company, I could have done more for you.
No, not at all, sir. You've been very good to me, but I really...
Alas, it seems the reins are slipping my grasp as of late.
I really need... I want to be honest with you.
Tell you what, let's get through the day first, and we'll speak about this later, if you feel it's important, when we have more time.
I do. No, understood, sir. Thank you. Yeah, all right, I'll go see Johnny. See you later.
Good luck today, son.
Gue sih curiganya Harold tahu ya untuk masa lalu si Winston ini. Johnny ya, kita cari Johnny. Ngapain coba dia?
Quick, what do you want? Did you see Bertha upstairs? Never mind, get going. Just radio me.
Nah, oke. Gitu aja. No,
Got another delivery for me?
ada.
Winston, are you there? I just received an order for a government job. You're to present yourself to a Mr. Stevenson at this address, and see to it you're punctual.
Oke. Mr. Stevenson. Kita kemana? Sekarang deliver apa lagi? Nggak diserang tentara lagi kan? Aduh. Ini saking uniknya ya, dan setiap pengiriman tuh beda-beda. Gue lupa kita habis kirim apa aja, tujuannya apa, dan tantangannya apa. Saking banyaknya. Aduh. Kreatif sih. Kita kemana? Hampir aja. Tadi guys. Lah, bentar. Spike-nya kemana nih? Lah. Kok nggak ada spike-nya? Wah, jangan bilang cuma sekali pakai, guys. Kalau cuma sekali pakai sih rugi banget ya. Kita keluar banyak duit. Oke, di
Please
sini.
keep away from the completely harmless object. Just an ordinary weather balloon, nothing to worry about. You're the courier, correct? What we have here is a military projectile that landed slightly outside of its target. Perfectly safe, of course. I have already disarmed it. I just need you to drive it over to Division 76, the Navy base by the coast.
Tulisannya bom ya. Bilang kalau bisa balon. Kalau gak salah tadi dia bilang. Yang kerja si Stevenson dong. Iyalah, gua kan kurir doang.
I need your assistance transferring this dirt to a different location. I suggest that water hole over there.
Oke.
Jackpot.
Mana waterhole? Ini maksudnya. Oh, katapult. Ini maksudnya. Oh. Oke. Lanjut lagi. Kayaknya dia bakal gali lagi.
Good work, courier. Just one more pile and we can load this shell onto your car.
Kan? Ke tempat tadi lagi. Shortcut aja. Oke.
That thing ruined my swing. I was about to finish under par, I tell you.
Suara apa tuh? Oh, oke. Bawa bom kita ya. Apalagi nih? Di waktu sih. Di waktu sih. Panahnya ke sini. Oke, kita ikuti panah aja dulu sekarang. Oke, bawah. Ups. Gue takutnya nabrak mobil lain meledak, guys. Satu arah kah? Alah. Jadi lewat mana ini?
What's happening?
Oke. Di waktu ini kayaknya. Oh enggak meledak, guys. Aman. Dan ini kita kemana ya? Oke, panahnya ke sini. Lanjut. Overhead.
On all wave bands, Agent Honeywood, if you're reading this,
Apa ini?
cannot return to the hen house. Repeat, cannot return to the hen house. Instead, the goose egg should roost in the eagle's nest. Do you copy?
Change of plans. We are going towards Tip Bend Ridge. Well, the thing is, we can't backtrack the way we came. For strategic reasons, yes. It's imperative that we detour through, well, let's say, a more scenic route. Yes, that's it. A scenic detour.
Shortcutnya ternyata lebih dekat begitu ya, guys.
Warning. Detecting malfunction.
Apa tuh?
Device activated. Please avoid
Wah, apa tuh?
impact.
So what that means is now you need to be more careful with the cargo. Not that...
Nuklir. Ada scene
Not that
begitunya
there's
ya.
any actual danger, of course.
Picture this, folks. You wake up in the morning feeling like a sack of potatoes, but with just one dose of Super Sunshine vitamins, you'll be soaring through
Wow.
your day like a
Pergerakan mendadak, guys.
What makes Super Sunshine vitamins so super? Well, folks, it's simple. These vitamins are derived straight from the golden rays of the sun itself. We've captured the very essence of sunshine and bottled it just for you. Unleash the power of sunshine within you by venturing to your friendly neighborhood grocery store.
Oh, jangan terlalu dekat sama objek lain, guys. Kalau terlalu dekat dia ngirim sinyal warning. Wah. Buset dah. Oke. Berarti ini jangan nabrak apa-apa ya. Mobil itu bisa jangan diem di situ. Alamak. Nabrak gitu, guys. Aduh, udah deket itu. Coba lagi dah.
They don't pay me enough for this.
Jangan nabrak. Akhirnya ada misi, kita nggak boleh nabrak sama sekali. Gue udah belok ya. Ya ampun. Jangan nabrak intinya. Gue kira kalau ada pergerakan mendadak, guys.
Please avoid impact.
Activated.
There's a tin mine further to the east. We are going to store this harmless airplane engine inside the mine for now.
Ya, harmless
Standard
lah.
procedure when dealing with completely safe objects.
Harmless tapi kok meledak, guys. Kemana kita? Nggak ada panahnya. Oke, ini panahnya. Panahnya ke sini. Bukan ke sini, guys. Hampir. Oke, ke sini. Tegang ini. Biasa nabrak, ini jangan nabrak. Gile. Kalau kalian lihat muka gue, guys, ngotot tuh. Gila. Keringetan. Aduh, jalan ini lagi. Jangan nabrak, gimana caranya? Oh, katapult ke sono.
Warning. Detecting another malfunction. Self-detonation activated.
So what that means is we're still not...
Aduh, kesenggol dikit, guys. Aduh. Kiamat langsung, guys. Jadi abu.
So what that means is we're still not going to panic, of course. But you should probably hurry.
Yuk, minggir bisa? Gue lagi bawa bom.
Detonation in T-minus 20 seconds.
Ini di waktu ya.
Detonation in T-minus 10 seconds.
T-minus 10 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Alah, udah deket guys. Gue harus agak cepet gara-gara tadi itu mobil ngalangin banget. Mungkin angle-nya kita rubah dulu kali ya.
That didn't go as planned.
Gak bisa. Gak bisa. Angle-nya gak bisa dirubah guys.
Detonation in T-minus 20 seconds.
Oke. Jangan dulu meledak. Kita harus ngebut. Cepet. Awas.
Detonation in T-minus 10 seconds.
Anjir, bukan di sini nih. Terus. Dah. Oke, aman.
Oh, you made it. Well done. You weren't in any real danger, of course. The explosion was probably caused by a gas pocket. Very common in old mines.
Terlalu dah.
No need for you to ever mention this incident to anyone.
Iya, serah lu dah.
One last thing, these are potassium pills. You should probably take 2 a day for the foreseeable future.
Aduh. Iya, bawa nuklir.
Just a scratch.
Ini kemana nih sekarang? Wah, udah sejam guys. Oke, memo. Kita selesaiin aja kali ya ini. Tapi kalau misalnya disuruh ngirim lagi ya udahlah. Berarti sampai situ aja. Ayo. Alah. Ini spikes-nya kemana coba ini mobil? Aduh. Atau jangan-jangan ada pencetan lain ya? Oh, gak salah ini mobil. Ini game ada fast travel sih. Tapi kayaknya harus ke stasiun deh.
Perhaps I can have that chat with Harold now.
Oke, kita ke Harold katanya. Apakah dia baik-baik saja? Lah, Donovan.
Winston. Good. Seems we haven't had a chance to talk since my return. Sit.
Where's Harold? I was supposed to meet with him here in his office.
I gotta say, you are mystifying, Winston. Truly. Can't help but wonder how things would have turned out if it wasn't for that one little slip-up. No? Come on. Our first chat outside we deliver? Tannerson. That's right. Farmer's boy, my father said. That's very interesting. I said. You know, when I was your age, about 15 years ago, give or take, I dated this broad. Name was Tess. A sweet girl, tad older. Classy chassis, as Harry would say. Couldn't believe my luck, if only.
Oh, I'm sorry, is this going to get emotional? Because I forgot to bring tissues.
Tess was from Tannerson. We spent a summer there together. Good memories. Oh, but you know how it goes. Real quaint place. Not a lot of farms, though. In fact, I dare to say, not a single one. You've never actually been there, have you? So you see, I knew you were full of shit from the start.
Man, you really hold a grudge, don't you?
I saw a business opportunity. Tell me what the agent who paid you a visit was looking for, and I won't turn you in. The AEC couldn't give a shit. What, thought I've been rolling my thumbs? Just a sec.
Ask yourself this. How far am I willing to go to see this through?
I'll get what I want at all costs.
Oh, hey Winston. How are you?
Peachy.
Oke, kita lanjut. Oke, kita balik guys. Sudah gua duga, makanya gua udah lanjut aja. Karena pasti kita balik ke trailer. Tapi dia kemana ya? Udah, kita lanjut aja. Bikinnya bukan main guys. Ya udahlah, sama aja. Juno kan kayak mau bantu, tapi gue sih kayaknya nggak percaya guys. Orang dia sendiri yang nawarin duluan kan ke siapa? Agent kan? Alamak, jalan susah banget.
Dozing off in swimming class wasn't my brightest moment.
Mobil kita udah nggak ada spike-nya guys, nggak tahu kemana spike-nya. Nanti kita cek aja di workshop ya. Gua kira trailer hilang guys. Oke, kita masuk.
It's been a while, Booker.
Armand?
Do you know how much of a headache your letters has caused me, huh? The amount of cleanup I had to do?
Hey, you'd have done the same if you knew what I knew.
Never took you for a golfing type. You look like a goddamn train wreck, by the way.
Well, what can I say? I'm working with what I got.
If not for me, you'd have been thrown to the wolves.
What the hell do you want, Armand?
Have a seat.
Oh, you sure? I mean, I could come back later. You know, you look busy. Maybe I should just install one of those revolving doors found at the malls.
Good God.
Oh, wait, I know. Saloon doors.
Booker, I'm starting to feel homicidal.
Good for you. You go right ahead. Yeah, with a nice big neon sign saying, "Everyone's welcome. Please help yourselves. Open 24/7." Can you see it, Armand?
Tiap hari orang-orang beda ya mas.
No? Just a suggestion.
Obviously, I made a mistake coming here.
Where the hell do you think you're going? You people are freaking unbelievable. Spill it.
A short while ago, a civilian, Donovan Goethe, apparently made a deal with someone at the AEC. Must be way up the chain, because I had no clue.
So that's your angle, huh? What kind of deal?
In a nutshell, first dibs on cutting-edge tech, in exchange for whatever it is you know the AEC needs for said tech to happen. Now, perhaps I just lack imagination, but I fail to understand the chain of events that led to this. Care to explain? He mentions the journal. Did you keep it all this time? It doesn't matter. It needs to be destroyed. Any copies?
I wish I'd never found the damn thing.
Found what?
Nothing.
Anyways, see this as an unofficial courtesy call. keep the folder. One last thing. Best I could do, if I were you, I'd disappear again while I had the chance. For what it's worth, I'm sorry about how things turned out.
I'm done running, Armand. The rest of you? You think you can push me around? Well, I have news for you.
Gua jadi punya teori, guys. Bisa jadi, ya iya spike-nya hilang dong. Bisa jadi si ini, tapi ya udahlah, di next episode aja ya. Gua jelasin teorinya. Karena ini udah 1 jam ya, udah kelamaan.
That's right. Suit, Middle Eastern descent by the looks of it, brought a folder to his place. Left with something of Winston's. Armand Sterling, you say? Oh, gone rogue. Recognize that name. In any case, he's got what we need, and I know where he's holed up. Not so fast. I need guarantees, full exclusivity as a contractor, and seat on the board. That's right. Consider it done as soon as I have it in my hand. So, do we have a deal? Perfect. Don't worry about that. You just keep your man on a leash. I know someone perfect for the job.
With one exception, these dreams always appear in the quiet hours of the night. In them, I remain aware, lucid. Is that what they are? Lucid dreams.
Oh, son of a...
I've had them ever since the incident, but that night, back on the island outside my apartment, I was awake. I must have been. Or was it a trick of the mind, a mirage in the twilight of consciousness? What if it didn't happen back then at all, but instead right now, as I'm writing this? Winston Green, December 22nd, 1960.
No, wait!
Lucid dream ya. Loh.
Breaking news. Early this morning, police were called to the scene of what appears to be a murder. A man was found shot dead in a car on the parking lot outside Super Convenient Mall. The victim, a middle-aged man of Middle Eastern descent, was found by Mrs. Langby, an elderly resident walking her dog. Mrs. Langby, a lifetime resident of Shellington Falls, said, "Sparky and I are both traumatized by this. What is the world coming to? This used to be such a peaceful town." To be fair, this is the first murder this town has seen in over 10 years. Expect to read more about it in this morning's newspaper.
Makin penasaran gak sih story kayak gimana? Get newspaper, tapi mungkin kita lanjutkan di next video aja ya. Karena ini udah 1 jam lebih. Kelamaan ya guys. Oke guys, gitu aja untuk video kali ini. Kita lanjutkan lagi besok. Thanks for watching.